So Darren, thank you very much for taking the time here in London at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference. First of all, tell us a bit about the company.
Okay, Americas Silver is a producing operating company. It's based in the Americas, obviously. It's a precious metal company. It's got quite a bit of growth coming, and so I'd say that we're producing about 2 million ounces of silver in 2019. We're going to basically increase that precious metal production by 600% by bringing on a new gold asset in Nevada.
And tell us about, so you're very short-term production opportunity, but also you've got land holdings in the area, so there's prospect for further sort of exploration there.
Yeah, so the new mine has got a reserve life of about 6 years, and there's some resources beyond that that are a year or two. But there's a pretty big land package, another 9,000 or 10,000 hectares. And there's 2 or 3 targets there that we think, because there's already a carbon processing plant in the back end, we think there's probably 2 or 3 more mines. So our view is, first asset, we know we can deliver around 80,000, 90,000 ounces in the next 7 or 8 years. And then I think beyond that, the exploration budget would tell us that we're going to discover a couple of other assets that will extend that life. And again, I think anytime you're in the Carlin Trend in Nevada, this in particular the Walker's Line, you get a lot of gold that you find once you get into the pit. There's a lot less at the surface. You got to kind of drill it out, do the work. And again, this has been drilled with very low budget, and so it's established along a kind of a 7-year mine life. I think beyond that, the pit will grow, and there'll be a number of targets outside that.
Very good. So in terms of your priorities, clearly heading towards that gold pour in November, towards the end of the year, is critical. What other sort of points would you pick out in terms of milestones on that journey for the company?
Yeah, and again, this is a restart of an old mine.
Yep.
So it's more brownfields and greenfields. But I'd say, obviously, we think the re-rating of the company, as you kind of have that kind of growth, will come as we, as I said, over the next 3 or 4 months. You're talking about a 250-day window from start of construction to production. So there's not a lot of time for milestones in between, because right now we're running at full tilt. You got the leach pad contractor, the mining contractor, and so that's underway. So I think the big issue for us is, we expect in September to rebrand the company from silver to gold and silver as that new mine is coming on. We expect the gold pour in November, but I think it's really when we start stacking those leach pads in September, late September, early October. I think that's when you'll see kind of the catalyst, and people start to get really interested and come back after the summer break. I think everybody's looking for that next company. I think we'll be that one.
Very good. And how's your day gone? Your conference gone here today?
Well, I'll tell you, it's the first time I've done one-to-one. It's been fantastic. Full meeting schedules, great investors, knowledgeable. So we're really happy with the format of it, and we're going to probably do the New York one in mid-October as well.
Fantastic. Well, Darren, thank you very much for your time today, and best of luck on the journey towards production.
Thank you.